just gave me a diagnosis.
So for anybody out there saying that ADHD is not real, they're blowing back on 40 years, if not 50 years of neuroscience.
Yeah, and I'll tell you, anybody that's out there that is a so-called professional, whatever, I don't care what their degree is, if they say that ADHD isn't real, the first thing I would tell an audience is, in your mind, think this person has no idea what they're talking about because they don't know it, right? And that's the thing. We're talking about it in a very fluent way. And you know that I've devoted my life to really understanding, how the brain works from a functional, anatomical neuroscience standpoint. And because for me, it always made sense. And for me as a parent, when someone tells me my son's ADHD, my first question is, what does that mean? I mean, what is actually happening in my kid's brain, And if I go to somebody and say, hey, tell me what's happening in my kid's brain. You just gave me a diagnosis. Tell me what it is. And if they look at me and say, well, I don't know, I'm going to then say, well, then how am I going to listen to anything? Then how are you going to tell me what treatment should be, right? Or how are you going to tell me if, this treatment would work or wouldn't work, or if there's anything I could do, because you don't know what it is. And that's it.